I just got done flying my Mini 4 Pro. Went out to Hogback Mountain, Sugarloaf Mountain and back. And I think now I'm going to try the anti-gravity. We got rain clouds coming in. I don't know. They're for probably later this evening into dark, but we're still got time to fly. All right, here we go. Oh wait, there was a... on this side. Well, I don't got to worry about a dark screen with this, I can tell you that right off the bat. Because the goggles are crystal clear, super bright, just beautiful. Ooh, a bird just flew under me. There's the railroad grade. It's looking pretty wet. Ooh, there's some breeze blowing in.
Maximum altitude limit reached.
Well, there was nobody at Hogback Mountain when I flew over it. Let's go over to Sugarloaf and see what Sugarloaf looks like. I'm at 53% battery and I'm actually almost at Sugarloaf here. Ooh. I need to... Well, we didn't make it to Sugarloaf. Said drone was going to auto return. I'm at 44% battery. So, oh well. .37% battery. I'm 2,500 feet away. I'm less than half a mile. It does not have the range of the Mini 4 Pro. Oh, hey, look, there's the red truck. .32%. I put it back in normal mode to have obstacle avoidance coming in for a landing. 700 feet away, 30% battery. Nice. That wasn't bad. But I'm at 23% battery. I could have made it to Sugarloaf, but I would have been pushing it and it would have done an automatic return to home. I wouldn't have liked that. Sweet.